you've done. This is a national effort. It's a human effort. Most important thing is, how are we reacting to this challenge as individuals, as families, as human beings? That's the most important thing. And Foreign Office, I'm proud of this institution. You're leading from the front. I must appreciate the work the senior officers are putting in, despite challenges, risking themselves like the rest of us. And Muslim, the job you're doing, stranded Pakistanis handling that is not easy. It is very easy to be critical, to find faults, and it's very difficult to deliver. But the Foreign Office, alhamdulillah, is delivering, and inshallah, as in the past, will continue to deliver. Suhail, you are leading this institution, and thank you for the leadership that you are providing to your officers. It's a teamwork. One recognizes this teamwork. I've always been appreciative of the quality of officers we have in this institution, and I will always stand by you and recognize your efforts. PAFA, I think, is the most active association of spouses. I do not see an association of this nature in any other department. है मेरे इल्म में तो नहीं है. I don't think so. And ये आपका आज से नहीं, हमेशा से, whether it was earthquake, floods, always contributed. We have set up a round-the-clock, 24/7 crisis management unit at the Foreign Office. This is a innovative step forward to improve our delivery, our services for Pakistanis abroad, and that Crisis Management Center is also doing a great job. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your consideration, and thank you for your effort. We appreciate it. And the people of Pakistan should recognize it. Thank you.
And wearing a mask, especially in the public gathering. Now, at the university, at PIMS, Shaheed Zulfikar Al Bhutto Medical University, what we have done so far is that we have arranged a number of courses for the students, for the doctors, for the paramedics, for the nurses, and also for those sweepers and lower staff working in these areas. They are very important member of the society. We have 3 tiers of healthcare workers. One who are directly in contact with the patients. We have a specialized isolation ward, where at present we have only 10 patients, luckily. Only 2 patients are on ventilator. Until to date, we have only 1 mortality, and that was the patient with so many comorbid factors. Our frontline department is infectious diseases department, headed by Dr. Naseem Akhtar, highly qualified specialist. And we have round-the-clock rota of doctors, nurses, and paramedics. We are providing them with all PPEs, gloves, gowns, and masks, and they're very, very well protected. And thanks to the government of Pakistan for providing all these gadgets to these doctors. The second tier is those doctors who are working in the hospital. They also need some protection, and they are provided with the masks and gloves only, and sometimes gowns. This pandemic is going to go on, and we at the front are very much committed. The doctors are, we started this telemedicine 2 weeks back, and now we have registered 300 doctors for this telemedicine initiative at the university. And we receive around 100 calls per day from various parts of the country. And they ask about the corona and the scoring, and we at least identify 1 or 2 patients who need further medical care. So that has reduced the burden on the hospital. So the patient can contact on telephone to one of the doctors sitting in the university, tell the symptoms, and then the doctor can very easily guide to stay home. So this is one of the initiatives. The second initiative which we are working on is because of the molecular biology department at the university. We are working on the genomes of the virus, which is in very initial phase at the moment, and hopefully in near future we will get to some basic work for the vaccine. And yesterday, President of Pakistan launched a large clinical trial with the name of Protect Pakistan. And we have members from international countries in that trial as well. And we hope to see some kind of medication coming up. A lot of work is going to be done on hydroxychloroquine, of course, some antiviral drugs, role of BCG vaccine. So we are working on that, and the medical fraternity, the researchers, basic sciences researchers, they are right along with the international researchers. So hope that this pandemic goes, but we have learned a number of things from this pandemic, and we need to discuss what are the issues on the medical side with the people on that side, that how in future we can prevent it, how we should prepare for the future pandemics. They are going to come at some stage. So with these remarks, I am extremely grateful to the Foreign Office for providing these PPEs for us, for the doctors, and I assure you they will be distributed to the doctors who really need these. They are not going to the houses of some other persons. So we will make sure, and we are grateful to the Madam President for giving those masks and the shields as well.